welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a online haul from Cherryz, and you might have seen this in some of the YouTubers videos because I've seen quite a lot of people have been working with them, and today I'm going to be working with them too on a gifting basis. So they've gifted this to me in exchange for me to do a video on it. So as always, on my opinions and my own, I haven't been paid to make this video, but I have kind of been gifted something in exchange for me to make this video, and be completely honest, I do also have I do also have a discount code for you if I can spit my words out. So if you use the code LuceStephenson20, I will leave it all linked down below. It's valid on the app only. You basically follow the link that I linked down below, download the app, and then enter the code at checkout, and it's for your first ever order. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that you can get 20% off as well. And the reason, so normally like when I get kind of emails about stuff like this, I'm not going to lie, I would normally just delete the email and just skip it. But when I saw this one, and I always look into it first to see if it's like my cup of tea, whether it suits like obviously our little bond that we've got and stuff and suits us. But when I looked at this one, I was like, this is literally like a Home Bargains, B&M, like that kind of shop, which I absolutely love, but online. And it gets delivered to your house, and I just thought this is actually amazing. So they gifted me 50. Oh god, I'm getting stuck in stuff that's behind me. My bedroom is a mess right now. But they gifted me £50 worth of stuff to pick off the website. So this is what I got, and like as you can probably tell, the box is huge. So if you are new here, oh god, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. Let me know if you want me to do like another order from Cherryz as well, because I had so much fun. It's like an Instagram as well. Like I was explaining it to my friend at work, and I was like picking what I wanted out of my £50, and it's like Instagram, you can like scroll or you can see it in like grid view, and add it to your basket. It's honestly, I would, even just if you download it just to check it out and see what it's like. It is basically like a Home Bargains and B&M, like a discount shop, like online. It's amazing. And then sometimes they have stuff like, they had like babies' clothes and stuff in there, which I thought like, what such like a random array of stuff, which exactly would be what you get if you went to B&M and Home Bargains, but even better because you can get it delivered to your house and you don't have to leave the house. So let's just get straight into what I picked. So like I said, this is kind of like a Home Bargains, B&M kind of shop online, which I absolutely love. So it is random stuff that I picked. It is stuff that I would normally pick if I went into them shops. So let's just get into the random stuff. There's quite a lot of food in this one. So the first one is some ice gems, like unicorn gems they're called, but they're basically ice gems. I think these were £1. I don't actually know how much all this stuff was, so I do apologise. But 92 calories, that's literally why I got it, because I thought it's like a low calorie snack, whilst also being a nice snack. Same for this, little mini bags of party rings. These are 83 calories per bag. I got my mum a Mother's Day card, but I just realised I just bought one today, so I've just got like double cards now. I got these from my friend Eddie at work. These are little dinosaur straws because she really likes dinosaurs, so yeah. And I think they were only like £1 as well, so I got them. This is something that I was really interested in. This is the Busy Being Healthy little notebook. So basically, this box smells amazing, and I'll explain why soon, but the box smells beautiful. But anyways, this little notepad, as you'll be able to tell, looks like this. So it has like the days of the week, and then it also has for you to write down what you're going to have for breakfast, lunch and dinner, your water intake, fruit, and then whether you've exercised or not. And I just thought it might be something for me to kind of keep track of, especially when I'm meal prepping and stuff. Like I didn't know where I was at, so I just thought it's something to try. One more sweets, which like contradicts what I've just showed you. But anyways, we have some little strawberry pencils from Haribo. I love these so much. I absolutely love strawberry pencils as well. It's like one of them sweets that like gets really sickly, but I'm just like, I just can't stop. I've also got some whispers, which I absolutely love, and I love, oh my god, I love dipping a whisper into a cup of tea. So nice. I've got some of these Dairy Milk little bars as well, because these are only 96 calories per bar, and they're just like really good when you just need some chocolate, but you know if you open like a big bar, you're just going to eat the big bar, which actually reminds me, I did have a big bar of Galaxy in here, which I ate like last week, because I've had this box for quite a while. So yeah, I do apologise, but I did eat a full bar of Galaxy. That was in here as well. I got some measuring jugs for when I move house. So yeah, I think these were only like 70p, 80p. I remember thinking, God, they're not even like £1. Kind of matching with that, I got some measuring cups and spoons as well. I just went for the white ones. They did have these in pink and I feel like it was green or something, but I just thought, I'm just going to go with the white. It looks a bit more kind of classy. I would normally go for the pink ones. I've definitely had pink ones before. I just thought the white just looks a bit more classy. I got quite a few of like face masky stuff as well. I'm not sure if there's any more in here, but I got a exfoliate and foot peel. This is the tea tree and peppermint one. Oh, it's vegan friendly as well. I didn't know that. So it's a one treatment for 90 minutes. So basically, I think it's one of the ones that you put on your feet, and then for like the next week, your feet start peeling. So I've always wanted to try one of them, and I'm sure I have one somewhere. I give it to somebody or something. So I'm excited to actually try it. This one I was really excited about. This is from the brand Simple, which is all known from like Superdrug and stuff. This is the Pollution Protect Sheet Mask. And I've always wanted to try the Simple mask, but obviously they've always been expensive. So yeah, I got it from there instead. And this was made in Korea, apparently. This is another brand that's the same as the foot peel one, that Derma V10. And this is a 2-step lip kit for a smoother look and pout. So you get the one step, which is a coconut sugar lip scrub, and then you get the second step, which is the collagen lip mask with hyaluronic acid. So it just looks like this, and I thought it'd be something for me to try. If there's anything in this video you want me to like do a little mini review, or even just like reviewing a vlog, let me know, because I'll be more than happy to do that for you. I also got these ones. These are Pretty Smooth Wrinkle Care Sheet Masks. 2 non-woven fabric sheet masks, moisturising and firming. Just looks like this. And then I also had the opportunity to pick up these, which is the Beauty Formulas Reviving Gold Eye Gel Patches. I actually really like my Pixie Gel Eye Patches, the green ones that I got gifted. And I just thought, if I can find like a cheaper alternative to the Pixie ones, like I'll be absolutely buzzing. So I thought I'll give these ones a try. And they do just help, like the Pixie ones really just help my under eyes, like just soak up some moisture. My under eye area is so dry. Like I don't know if it's ever like noticeable on camera, but oh my god, like I need to set my under eyes with powder because of the concealer, or even just like normal, because it's like got so many like little creases in there. But it just then goes really dry. I can't win. So I thought I'm going to try and use some eye patches more. So I picked up some of them. I also got some, oh my god, I've just bought some more of these today at Primark, I think. I'm such a spud sometimes. But I've got some of these oval cotton pads. I cannot, like I've got some little ones in my little pot behind me, you can see in the corner. And that pot's actually designed for these big ones. It drives me insane, the little ones, like you just don't really get much done on your face and stuff. I do really want to invest in the reusable ones. It's just not something that I've invested in just yet. So yeah, unfortunately not yet, but I will be. Jammy Dodgers minis, again another little nice snack, but only 89 calories, is why I picked up them. This is one of the reasons why the box smells really good. I have been wanting these since Mrs. Hinge raved about them, and I just never really got around to buying them, and these smell amazing. I haven't even opened the box yet and I can smell them, so I know they're going to be really good. But these are Lenore Tumble Dryer sheets in Spring Awakening. Mrs. Hinge has it and raves about it, so I wanted it. So I got it. So the next thing, I just couldn't resist. They looked so good. I had to buy 3. So these are the breakfast to go pots. So basically it's a normal kind of tub with the spoon inside, like this, and then obviously it has the lid, and then also on the top of the lid is also a little container. So it'd be good if you wanted to have, like, I don't know, your fruit in there with your yogurt or something. But I honestly wanted these to do my overnight oats. I actually can't get that lid back on. I can't actually get it back on. There we go. Why is that so hard? Yeah, I actually got them to do my overnight oats in. I thought they'd be really cute, and if I'm like running late, I've stepped in for work or whatever, then I can literally take that breakfast to go and take that away with me. Oh, I've got lipstick on my chin. How does that always happen? So yeah, I got 3 of them. Another thing that I also picked up for work, which actually I wouldn't normally have picked because I absolutely love my little cups that I got for work. You'll have seen them in my 2019 haul, and I also got another one for Christmas. So you'll see them in my videos from like the end of last year. However, you'll all know as well that my new car doesn't have a cup holder. So I was thinking maybe this could like hook in to the like little side bit of my car and maybe help it from like tipping over and stuff, kind of lock it in place, I was hoping. Or as well as why the reason that I liked my other ones is it has like a little bit to close it so it doesn't spill. So I thought even if it does tip all over and this bit's not the very best, I can still use it in my car anyway because it has that little closer bit anyway. So yeah, I got that. And I also got another tub. I've got more tubs as well. I don't know what it is with me at the moment. I love tubs. Oh god, I wasn't expecting that to flick up in my face then. So basically this is like a little pack lunch tub. So you can put, I think the picture had like a sandwich in this top bit. And then underneath like more stuff as well. And I just thought that'd just be good for work. I mean I haven't been doing it recently, but when I'm like back on my game, I always take like a pack lunch to work with me. So I thought that'd be absolutely perfect for that. More things that I got, more tubs, is to help me with my meal prep and stuff. I absolutely love these tubs, you know, these round ones with the lids. Just absolutely love them. Like, there's enough words for how much I like these tubs. And so I got a pink one and I got a blue one. Well, pinky purple. And then obviously the lids. By the way, this feels like this is like going on and on and on. This is because this is how much stuff you can actually get for £50 off their website. Like, I'm not done. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things to go. And I've already unhauled all of that. Like, told you it's like a Home Bargains in B&M, but better because it's online and it comes to your house. It's just blew my mind. The next two things, which are the, I'm pretty sure I thought I ordered these in the Melt, but I mustn't have. I must have ordered them in the Reed diffusers. So we have the Drumstick Squashies Raspberry Reed diffuser, and then we also have the Parma Violet Reed diffuser. Just looks like this. I'm going to keep these in the thingy and just use one at a time. And I'm going to leave it until I move house and then open it when I open it in my new bedroom. I also picked up 2 Floras. So I picked up the Linen Fresh one and I also picked up the Warm Cinnamon. The Warm Cinnamon just reminds me so much of my mum because I know she absolutely loves that scent. But she just really liked the Linen Fresh one as well. So I just picked up 2 of them. You can never have enough. I also got these mini gel air fresheners. So we have the mini gel, lavender, jasmine, fresh linen and cherry blossom, which just look like this. And again, I'm just going to keep these packaged up until it's time to whack them out. Another one from that Derma V10 brand is a clay mask. And I got this because it reminds me so much, like the packaging and everything, reminds me so much of the L'Oreal one. And I thought I'm going to try it and see what it's like. Like, look. I don't know if I still have the L'Oreal. I feel like I binned it because I'm sure it like went all hard because I had it for so long. But yeah, I thought I would try this out, see what it's like. So it's just a clay mask with charcoal. It's also made in the UK and it's suitable for vegetarians as well. So just make you aware of that. And then the other thing that I got, third from last, is some honey. Such a random one. I recently tried honey on pancakes, absolutely loved it. And I just thought I'm just going to order some honey. So yeah, I got some honey. Oh, so I got 2 cups. And this one, oh yeah, this one's smashed. And so this one doesn't sound too good, but yeah, it's definitely. Oh no. Oh, it was so pretty as well. Oh. Yeah, the handle is smashed off that one, so I'll have to put that carefully into the bin. Put on there for now. But the other one is totally fine. So this is the same kind of cup, but this one has pink flowers on, and the other one just had like the green leaves on. So yeah, picked up 2 of these, but unfortunately one of them is smashed. I'm going to wrap this one back up very carefully. So that is everything that I ordered with my £50 voucher for Cherryz. I will leave a link down below. Like I said, make sure you do use that discount code. I don't get any money back from it or anything like that. It is literally just to save you some money. I remember it has to be on your first order as well. So make sure that it is when you do your first ever order, you use that discount code, otherwise you can't use it again afterwards. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I shall see you in my next video. I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, 6 o'clock UK time. Love you very much.